This has been such a wonderful campsite, but we're getting ready to leave. I want to say thank you, Christopher, for letting us stay here. Wow! He's trying to back up into me. Anyways, yeah, Seth's going ahead and leaving because he has the key. So we're going to follow him and then go fill up propane. I think all of us have to fill up on propane. But yeah, let's get going before he runs into me. He keeps on trying to back out. I guess I can let him go first. Go ahead! Oh, okay. Oof. Rough terrain. Such an awesome 2,000 acres of land that he has here. It's just beautiful, breathtaking. We've been here, I believe, 3 days. We might come back to this spot, not sure. We're supposed to be going into town, like I said, to fill up on propane and grab some stuff, supplies, but we're also gonna meet Chris and he's going to show us some things and take us to pizza, I guess. We're gonna all meet and have pizza, which sounds wonderful. And I think this is the gate up here. It's a pretty rustic looking gate. Alright, like I said, Seth has the keys, so he's going to have to unlock the gate and let us out, and then we're just going to go straight down that dirt road and back out. Unlock that gate, mister. It's not locked. Oh, weird. He said it wasn't locked. Alright, let's get going. Just gonna pull up enough where everybody can get out and then just wait. What? What is it? No, give it to them.
For the next one. No, the next one's locked.
What next one? Is it?
The next gate.
Oh, there's another gate. Okay. Alright, well, I guess I'll just continue on to the next gate. Key. Oh my god, look! There's, is that not an elk, crap, I can't remember. It's like a deer, but antelope. There it's crossing the street right now. That's so cool. They just run all over this place. We saw a whole herd of them when we were coming in. It was awesome. Such beautiful creatures. Okay, I think it's to the left. Yeah, I don't think I would want to go down that rutted road. It's weird. You usually see like 2 or 3 of them together. I've never seen one just by itself. I think I'm going the right way. You know what? I'd best wait on the rest of them. Just in case. Scott's locking up the gate now. Wow. That was a big bird that flew out of that tree. Now, it's just standing in the middle of the road, just staring at me. It's probably good. Headlights. No, it's not. It's like, okay, I'm out of here. Bye, beautifulness. I hate bumpy roads. Alright, I'll see y'all when we get to the gate. Alright, we have made it to the gate. Time for me to unlock it. Yeah, this one is the one that's locked. Alright. I left the key in the lock so that way the last person can, I guess, lock it back up.
Roger, Dodger. Pat, your vent is kind of flopping in the wind. I don't know if you need to put it down or if it's just loose all the time.
Alright, let's get going through this thing. Pull forward enough so that way everybody can get out and I guess we can carry on. Plus I have to look up that propane place. What was the name of the propane place so I can look it up, GPS it?
Big R.
Big R, alright. What is that sound? It sounds weird. The closest one is right in the middle of town.
That's it. 2.7 miles to Colorado 196. It's 14 miles from here total.
Alright, let's go. Alright, I guess I will see you when we get off this bumpy road and get to Big R's. Yeah, look at my camera, it's shaking all over the place. So we stopped here at Big R and I'm gonna get my propane filled, my onboard tank, and they're getting theirs as well. I also might get one of my cylinders filled.
Oh, that feels really good on that shoulder. Oh yeah.
Your ears are always blocking up the way.
I was looking
Parking where they're not supposed to park.
I was looking for a water spigot. Get me some water.
Boondocking in front of the propane tank. Hey, you're not allowed to boondock. No overnight parking here, Missy.
Hey, I don't see a sign right there.
You watch out because they'll be here later.
What is that smell we smelled on the way in? Did you smell it? It was so sweet smelling.
I wouldn't camp there.
That one had a propane anyway.
There's no crazy out here, is there?
I filled up both of my tanks. I actually have 3 tanks, but I only filled up 2. One of them that was on the back, that one is specifically, or those are specifically for my buddy heater, and they're piped in. And then the onboard one is for, you know, cooking and the onboard furnace and everything. I don't have a propane refrigerator, so I don't need it for that. Mine's a 12-volt DC refrigerator. But yeah, we're headed over to Wally World. I'm gonna pick up a spare tube because I busted mine, unfortunately. Or I think I'm just gonna do a repair kit. Seth said I could repair it. Wow, this light takes forever. The Riverwalk, like in San Antonio, but baby-sized. This is the restaurant that we're going to.
You want me to ask?
Yeah, and I can go back and get her. There he is. There's Christopher.
Is that him right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that should be fine.
Okay, I'm gonna go get my dog.
Okay.
Look, dog friendly. I'm gonna go get Moo-moo real quick. Alright, Moo-moo, outside. They allow doggies. Yay! There they are down there. So Moo-moo's just happy to be out of the RV. She's chilling and relaxing. I think she's the most relaxed dog I've ever had the pleasure of owning.
It sounds like something unique. It's Alfredo sauce, artichoke hearts, chicken, and roasted chili
Oh, that
peppers.
sounds really good, actually.
And
Yeah.
I've never seen anything. The Brooklyn Bridge. I've
Yeah.
never seen one like that
Sounds
before.
good.
Is that the Brooklyn Bridge?
No, that's the
I'm just wondering if they call it that.
Union Avenue. Oh, yeah, no.
No, but it's
I know.
usually a bridge has a name.
Right. That sounds good.
Are you good with the artichoke one too then?
Yeah.
Two, I guess. Is that too much?
Oh no, that's not, just one would probably do.
Okay.
One would be good.
Maybe if you guys want to get some garlic knots, they're awesome.
Okay.
Here we go.
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna go with the Brooklyn or which one?
Yeah, the Brooklyn and then the garlic. What did you say?
Garlic knots?
Okay.
You were going to get some.
What?
Does garlic knots make you laugh?
Yes, they do. Her shirt says legalized marinara. That's too funny. We are in Colorado.
For ya. I'll be right back with your Dr. Pepper.
That looks amazing. Ooh.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so very
Do you
much.
want another Stella? Are you still working on that?
Moo-moo? Are you staring at the other dog over there, huh? Were you looking at the other doggy? It's a cute little. Not sure. Cute doggy. Oh. Hello.
People are like, oh, freedom.
Thank you.
Blah, blah,
He's
blah.
having fun bringing the dogs because he brought it for the first time. So.
Yeah, this is our first time too.
Yeah. Because it's like, oh, anarchy, but like as soon as you do something that you don't like.
Now that's what I've been waiting for. So the pizza was really good.
That was for ruining my shot.
I didn't ruin your shot. Anyways, that pizza was really good, but I'm full and I need to go for a little walk, so we're gonna stroll by the river. Hello, hello. Aren't you gonna say something?
He was telling me that they have drummers that come in here, right?
Yeah.
And they play the drums and stuff, and it just echoes all through.
That'd be cool.
Oh, that would be cool. Ooh, look at that bridge, pretty cool. This is such a beautiful town, but we're gonna head back to the RV. I wanna thank y'all for hanging out with me today, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. Love everyone.